engine and the engine oil, that they have that dark coloration. So that is actually why it gives that mentality of technology to the user. So that is it. So you see the responsiveness here, and we have these things. Okay, so this is where we stopped from our previous lesson. So let us add this again. Let us add two more cards to these services, and then we now add a footer, and maybe we can do some other things, but then let's do this. Okay, so let's add services to the menu. Okay, because we have about me, but then we don't have services. So let's add services to the menu. So we go to the, and if you go here, you're going to see services, and it is active because we also need to make sure that these ones are also active, because I don't want them to have this door color. The only thing I will do is just to add a hover effect. Once I hover on each of the menu, that it shows that you are on it. That's the only thing that I will do. But I will make all the colors to be white so that it doesn't look faint. So let's do that. So on the nav link active, so we are going to do that. You just add active to it. So little mistake is going to be a nav item, and sorry, let's undo what we have here. So it's going to be a class of nav item, and then it's going to be a anchor link. So that's the error that we have there. So I'm going to remove this class and use this class, and then let's have an a tag. Take these services to this, and then what next is to add it as a nav link, nav item, just like what we have here, just by adding active to the link. So we can just add active, the link. Where is the other one? Okay, so we do the same thing here on the A. So it's going to be nav link active. So if you refresh your website, you now see all of them are active except the project, because you know the project, to be able to hover on it with a background or maybe a hover effect on it. So that's what we will do now. So we are going to just select LI, or rather, we're going to select ULLIA and nav link, class nav link. So let's do that. We are going to do it just above here. ULLIA and sorry, okay, A and dot nav dash link. So it's going to be, I think, nav item will be nav link. Okay, nav link. Then on hover, we want to have it with background color, let's say background color of green. So let's use yellow green or green yellow, something like that. Let's see if that is actually working. It's not working, so we need to set it as important, or rather we can just remove all these other ones and use only the target attribute, which is a hover for this, and then we set it as important. Let's see if that is going to happen. So we can see what we have now. Everything is working perfectly. Everything is working perfectly. So we can now hover on it. So, but I think this green we have here is okay. I think we should also maintain the colors. So let's change it from yellow green to green yellow to only green, or rather we can just use this to get a dark green. I don't think, I think this, and you can see when I hover on the button,